So I really hate when this happens, but Realme has launched a firmware or a software update for the Realme Buds Air, which my video has just gone live for the in-depth review. And I've got a sample of the older recording on that. And they've got a newer firmware that addresses the call experience. So to be specific, I reviewed the software version 113. This is 116. And this one is calling experience optimized, improved multi-scenario AI call noise cancelling effect. So I'm going to update the earphones and I'll head down to that usual place I do all my call tests at, and I'll play back the original audio that I did for my in-depth review and now the updated version. So you guys have a better idea of how good or bad the newer version is, and of course you can make that decision whether or not these earphones call quality is good enough for you. I'm standing near the busy street where I normally do a lot of these call tests to see how well the ANC does in these. So I'm playing back off of the camera audio right now, so you have a sense of the noise that's around me and the kind of effort that the ANC is putting in audio sound. There's a lot of vehicles moving around on this road right now. So one thing I want to check and see is if I change the ANC profile, does it affect the ANC at all? So right now, I'm on the noise cancelling mode on the strong setting, and I'm switching over to the mild setting about now. It'll be interesting to see if there is a difference. So I'm switching over to the normal now. So once the ANC is off for me, you can tell that the passive isolation kicks in. So I can hear a lot more of the engine noises and all that are appearing, and I do not know if it's going to affect the ANC as much. So now I'm talking to you from the newer software that I just updated, and hopefully we'll be able to see if there is a difference between the previous recording that we just played back. Just for your reference, I'm going to do the same thing I did as I did with the previous recording, which is toggle ANC mode, because there was a difference when I shifted it over to normal mode. There was just a drop in the difference. So anyway, right now I'm on noise cancelling and strong mode. I'm switching over to mild now. It'll be interesting to see again if there is a difference. And now I'm going to switch over to the normal mode to see if there is a shift in audio for some reason. There was in the last recording, it was the last software. Now, from the ANC perspective, I can tell that there's a lot more noise coming in, but it'll be interesting to see if the ANC is affected. And I'm shifting over to transparency mode now, which means everything I'm hearing out here is amplified, so I can hear it that much more. These things aren't exactly very pleasant. These chapters are going fast, but let's see how the GMC fares. It will be interesting to see what the difference is and to see if these are ideal for your recipients. So let me know what you think about the new software update, if it has made a difference. There apparently is some AI that's been updated that should make the call quality a bit better. I remember the vocals being a bit too muffled for my liking. But maybe you guys let me know what you think about the call quality, and I'll see you back in the studio. So there's very clearly some sort of difference when you switch between profiles for that brief moment. I think Realme still has a lot to work on when it comes to their call quality. It's not the clearest. Obviously, the few people I've even spoken to have even said that they couldn't hear me very clearly. But then again, it's up to you if this is good enough for you, and if you think this call quality works for you, you can always make that decision to go ahead and pick these up. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the call quality of the Realme Buds Air 3. And of course, I do hope this video has helped you in some way or the other. And if it has, you know exactly how to support me on this channel. And of course, thank you for tuning into Paul's POV for some sound advice.